Okay, this is Week 9 Blood System Vocab Recall, Part 1. As usual, I will say the definition twice. Please give me the answer. Let's start. A cell that helps fight disease and infection, also known as a white blood cell. A cell that helps fight disease and infection, also known as a white blood cell. Leukocyte. A granulocyte with blue staining granules. A granulocyte with blue staining granules. Basophil. The medical specialty concerned with cancer. The medical specialty concerned with cancer. Oncology. The liquid in blood and lymphatic fluid that contains antibodies and proteins. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets float in this liquid. The liquid in blood and lymphatic fluid that contains antibodies and proteins. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets float in this liquid. Plasma. A granulocyte with neutrally staining granules. A granulocyte with neutrally staining granules. Neutrophil. The tissue found inside bone that produces blood cells. The tissue found inside bone that produces blood cells. Bone marrow. The protein in the plasma that produces fibrin, essential for blood clotting. The protein in the plasma that produces fibrin, essential for blood clotting. Fibrinogen. The medical specialty concerned with cells. The medical specialty concerned with cells. Cytology. A cell that contains hemoglobin and transports oxygen throughout the body. It's also known as a red blood cell. A cell that contains hemoglobin and transports oxygen throughout the body. Also known as a red blood cell. Erythrocyte. The formation and development of blood cells. It can be divided into more specific groups, such as erythropoiesis, leukopoiesis, and thrombopoiesis. The formation and development of blood cells, and it can be divided into more specific groups, such as erythropoiesis, leukopoiesis, and thrombopoiesis. Hematopoiesis. A cell with no nucleus that is used in blood clotting, also known as a thrombocyte. A cell with no nucleus that is used in blood clotting, also known as a thrombocyte. Platelet. The branch of internal medicine concerned with blood and the lymphatic system disorders. The branch of internal medicine concerned with blood and lymphatic system disorders. Hematology. One more. A white blood cell with granules. A white blood cell with granules. Granulocyte. Sorry, got another one. A young white blood cell located in the bone marrow. A young white blood cell located in the bone marrow. Myelocyte. Okay, that's part 1 finished. See you in part 2.